sorry, revenue and expenses. So once these have been assigned, you can save this and your document splitting will be done. So click on the save option and you can see all the settings have been copied to the request, and selecting OK has been saved. Now one thing in it is left, that is what is this middle column is all about. The middle column refers to override. Override means when you want to override the item category for the account numbers. So in that case you can select this. If you have any doubt further, there is an option to put the cursor over here and you can go to F1. F1 is for help, and when you put on F1, the system will give you certain informations related to that particular field. This category is used to specify whether the internal derivation of internal item categories should be overridden in document splitting by derivation of by accounts. So it gives you a brief about what it is all about, but we will not be taking it as override because we have to take it with item categories so that it can be properly taken up to the financial statement. So once this has been done, you have saved already the data, so your document splitting has been done. Okay, yes, done, data was saved. So your document splitting is over. Moving up to the next is defining retained earning account. So to define retained earning account, we have to go to OB53. So moving up OB53, how we can move directly to OB53? We can put /n to exit the screen and OB53 to enter OB53 screen directly. Moving over here, again you have to put your chart of account. Everywhere you will see that the chart of account has been asked, because chart of account is the one which contain all the list of ledgers. That's why it's important to have the chart of account filled. Now moving up to the next is assigning retained earning GL. Now the screen is reflected to you over here. We have to create a variant in this part. We have to name a variant as XYZ or ABC something. So all you have to do is to create a variant ID in this particular configuration, and where the GL account or the ledger account will be assigned for a profit and loss account. So I just define the variant as suppose X. So against the variant as X, you have to assign a ledger account or a GL account, and the GL account or the ledger, you can say, will be belonging to general ledger account. Now what number will you assign over here? If you go to your account group, retained earning belongs to which particular head of these? Retained earning basically belongs to liabilities. So in that case, I have to assign a number range, a ledger number from this particular group, that is from 20000 to 299999. So suppose I assign the GL as 200000 as retained earning account. You must not forget it, because you have to assign this GL over here. So enter X in profit and loss statement, enter the account number for retained earning account, and then we can click on enter, and you can see now we can go to the save option and we can save, so that the setting can be saved in the request. Okay, so you can see the changes have been made. That means the variant has been created, and in the variant the ledger has been assigned. Once the variant the ledger have been assigned over here as 25 times 0, this means that all the profit calculated against expenses and revenue will be reflected in this particular account. So once you assign this particular number over here, you need to create this ledger also, that is retained earning account. So do not forget it. We will be creating this ledger in a while when we will be moving to the next screen as GL master. So saved. Okay, we have already saved it, no changes were done, so we can go back and our retained earning configuration has been done successfully. So once this has been created, now moving up to the next screen on the PPT presentation. Now retained earning has been defined. The next is maintaining the number range. So maintaining the number range, the shortcut is FBN1, and the long way out, the path is financial accounting new to financial accounting global setting, then to document number range, and then document in entry view. Or the short way out is FBN1. So moving up to FBN1, enter. Now over here you have to assign the company code. The company code is 1200. Now there are options. One is as display, one is as change, and one is as to create new one. So we'll be clicking on this change interval option, and you can see the number range is blank over here. So we have to go to this interval to insert the number range. Click on this, and you can see a new thing has came up, pop up, a new. Now over here you have to fill it. Number means the serial number as 01. Year over here refers to the fiscal year for which you are configuring the system for. I am configuring the system for 2014, so we'll be putting up the fiscal year as 2014, and over here you will be giving the document number from and to. Now it is up to you how you will be giving this number, what number you want to give it. It's up to you. Suppose I give the number as 1 6 times 0. On this side I give it as 1 009999. So this is my first number range. The serial number is 01, the fiscal year is 2014, and the range is from 1 million to 1,09,999. And after putting up this range, you can select this option as insert. But before that, you can see there is an option of over here as ext, means external. If you want your number range to be external, and every time you post a business transaction, you pass a business transaction in the system, you need your own document number which you want, you can fill it with this. For that you have to mark it over here so that the system could take the external number, but it is preferred to have an automatic generated number through this SAP system, so we will not be doing that. Now once this has been done, we will click over here as insert. Once you will insert, that particular line will be entered over here as interval in the system. So once it has been entered, save it. Now this is the number which you have assigned from and to will be number which will be given as a voucher number or a document number when you pass any of the business transactions. Creation of GL master records. Now this we will be covering up in the next session with the unit testing part. Thank you.